Abbot Hugh caused us to be for the Alpha and Omega of all. In the year of our Lord, 1218, said the old abbey bells, ring out again upon these Tuscan hills your brazen song of measured tempo, known by oft a passing ear, with sound that stills the moving of all time. For in this stone that hears again the echo that your call draws hourly from our breasts, there lingers yet a wonder of long finding. Something small in this your poised stroke holds ours long set. O souls that flew this way and glided on to where this sun now sets, O westward clown that lies in skeleton form where days have gone, beneath this tapping of the tune of man. Oh, wait a little on this patient shore of minutes that have lapped this land before. O God, upon the cloud I see thee not, and in the earth I hear not oft a sound of passing Trinity. And yet, forgot was never yet a passage that I found upon a time where chimed the ages all at treading of soft feet. A meeting was upon a molecule, and globules small did twinkle in the midst that presence has. O ray of deeper dark, there was a place, and there is yet, where want can want no more. There is upon this ancient stone a space for two to lie, where tranced here before the pilgrims of this darkened land did stand, and for a moment held the Master's hand.